end product, the hooks are actually glued to the underside of the hatch. The hatch is really dusty right now because I'm in the middle of doing all the varnish on the boat itself, and I haven't gotten to the hatch yet. You see that mine are a little rougher. These, I didn't have a plan. I just used one of my drawings, and I drew it out by hand, and I just kind of cut these out, and so they're pretty rough looking. But the ones that I'm going to make from the plans are going to end up looking just like the plans. So let's see how we got to these hooks. And right here, that's the design that I decided was what I wanted. So it has a wider base, not as much of a curve in the hook. Came across this 3D design program, and specifically inspired by needing to design the parts for the kayak, I taught myself how to use it. So here's the model of the hook after I've created it. And you see this model looks even better than what's on my kayak, but this is exactly what will be on the next kayak, and I will shape it on the drum center and everything to make it look exactly like this. So how do we get here? Well, I'm going to show you on a rectangle. 0.25, 0.75. Edit that object. So now I can add some measurement marks out here to 3/4 of an inch. And up here, I come in, make it 1/16. 1/8, 16th, 1/8. So now we have some guide marks on what we can try to build. And I'm going to make another one, 1/16 right there. So with these, we'll add, got to pick the right tool, add a 2-point arc. There we go. So now we have those all connected up. So now we can start erasing a few things. Don't need these lines. Don't need the marks. Get rid of these guys. And now, ta-da, we have a hook. And look, it's a paper thin hook. What? Okay, so now what we can do, we're going to look at this guy and pull out a surface, and we're going to pull it out 1/2 inch. Now we have a hook. Look at that. There's our hook. All right, we've got a couple lines in there that we don't need. Structurally, the drawing needs the lines. So I'm going to pick that line. I'm going to say hide that line. I'm going to tip over and look at this guy. Just the line. Hide the line. And there you go. And now that doesn't look a lot like wood. Now look at this guy. There's our wood hook. Oh, I better do the front. There's a perfect pattern and the actual scale size that we would I will use for the kayak. Now, if I want, I can come over here and add some real dimensions to the plan. 3/4 of an inch. I'll turn this way. Here to here. There's 1/2 inch. Oh, and let's see. I want to know how wide this sucker is. Go there to there, pull up 1/8 of an inch. So there we go. There's some pretty good measurements on to make the whole hook. And I think that it all start out with that little triangle. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm very happy with it.